everyone, in this Instagram video, I wanted to show you how to schedule your posts right on Instagram. And I'm gonna do this on a computer. This website that I use works on a computer. It's a really easy process. I made a video about this before this app to show you how to post images to your Instagram right from a computer. But this also lets you schedule your posts. So click the link in the description. That will bring you to this website if you don't have this just yet. It's totally free. Go ahead and check it out, read about it. Instagram does change this all the time. So this is the latest version that I've found that works really well. So they got a free option here that I'm using, and there's a personal option if you're trying to do more here, like up to 3 social accounts, or if you're trying to do an agency plan, they have that. So I'm gonna do this account, sign up. I've already gone through this process, signed up. This is just for one social account that I'm using here, Instagram. So let me go to the dashboard to show you how to actually post. By the way, if it's your first time here, I have well over 100 Instagram videos on this channel. I post new ones every single week, so please consider subscribing. So this is what the platform looks like once you log in. What we want to do is go to Instagram right here and click post. When we get to this page, it's going to show us our Instagram account. Then we'll create our post and schedule it, and we'll see a preview. So here you should see add an account option here once you sign up for the first time if you don't have it. I've obviously done this before, so I have one. I'll click my account, get the checkbox. So you want to do that first, or add your account here. Then make sure this checkbox is there. If it's not, you're going to get an error message later. Next, we want to do a post. So add image or video. You see this upload icon? I could press that, and I'll go to my desktop and see which one I want to use. I want to use this image here. And I create my images in Photoshop. So I'll have a free link to Photoshop too. If you're serious about creating really high-end images for Instagram, Photoshop is the best tool for that. This is 1000 by 1000 aspect ratio. That's the size of this image here. So now the image just like that has been uploaded. I could even do multiple images. I could do story. This is the multiple image option, or story. So then I'll write my caption here. Let me grab that from an email and I'll paste it here. So here I got that description here, and then I could go ahead and tag who I want to. In this case, I do want to tag someone. I'll go ahead and tag them. And once I do that, I could then press schedule. So if I press post now, that will post now. I don't want to do that. I want to schedule this for a later date. Time post. Let me click that. And let me choose today's date. And then it will give me the hours here. So when do I want to do this? It's 12:45 right now. Let's say I want to do 1:45. That's all I got to do. I could press OK. Then now it gave me the date and the time. I could press OK. Now the post could be scheduled. So I could press schedule post, and it will post it when I'm ready. I could also add my hashtags here. So if I wanted to add hashtags, I could do that. And I could put either the website is obviously not going to be a clickable one, or I could say link in the bio. The link in the bio would take you to this website where you could check this out. And that's all you got to do. Now, if you press publish post or schedule post, add schedule post successfully. So in 1 hour from now, this could be posted. Again, you could do this for multiple posts to be done throughout the week. So you only have to do this process one time. And the last thing is, this is a really cool one. Advanced options lets you add the first comment to your post. So I usually do add my hashtags here instead of in the post. So I could actually do that here. Let me grab a block of hashtags that I have for this post, and I'll go ahead and paste them here. These are all the hashtags that I've researched that work well for this business, and then they'll be in the first comment. So that's the advanced option here. And now schedule post again. It will go ahead and update that post that I have already scheduled. So it's really that simple, honestly. You could do this for Facebook, for Twitter, all this within this platform. Again, Instagram did recently change this, and this is the new platform that I really like compared to everything else that come out of it. They basically changed their API, the way other websites could interact with Instagram, but this actually is working really well at the time of this recording. The upgraded paid options are obviously really good too if you have more than one account. So I'm using one of the upgraded options, and they may change the pricing honestly in the future. Sometimes that's happened to videos I've made before, but I think it's totally worth a few dollars if the free option goes away. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section. I hope it's useful for you. Again, the free link to it is in the description, and so is a free trial to Photoshop if you want to take a look at that. And I have other videos about how to make these kind of posts on Photoshop too. Again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to check out over 100 Instagram videos, and you could check out Howfinity.com. It's a how-to social media platform, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.